SARMs, or selective androgen receptor modulators, are a class of compounds that have similar effects to anabolic steroids, but with greater selectivity and fewer side effects. This is not medical advice. Please consult a physician before purchasing or ingesting any supplement. The history of SARMs dates back to the 1940s, when scientists first discovered the structure of the androgen receptor. In the following decades, researchers began to develop compounds that could interact with the androgen receptor, leading to the discovery of the first nonsteroidal SARM, ondarine, in the 1990s. Ondarine, also known as S4, was developed by the pharmaceutical company GTX and was initially intended for the treatment of muscle wasting conditions such as osteoporosis and cancer-induced cachexia. However, it was found to also have potential as a performance-enhancing drug for athletes. In the early 2000s, other SARMs such as LGD 4033 and RAD 140 were developed by pharmaceutical companies such as Ligand Pharmaceuticals and Radius Health. These compounds were also found to have potential medical uses, particularly in the treatment of muscle wasting and osteoporosis, but also as a means of increasing muscle mass and strength in healthy individuals. SARMs have also been studied for their potential to treat other conditions such as breast cancer and benign prostatic hyperplasia. Despite the potential medical benefits of SARMs, their use as performance-enhancing drugs in sports has been banned by the World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA, and several other sports organizations. The use of SARMs by athletes is considered a form of doping, and can result in disqualification from competition and other penalties. It's worth mentioning that the use of SARMs is not without risks, and it's important to consult a doctor before taking them. Long-term use can cause harmful side effects such as liver damage, hormone imbalances, and increased risk of heart attack and stroke. In recent years, SARMs have also been marketed and sold as dietary supplements, but their sale is banned by the FDA. In conclusion, SARMs have a long history of research and development, with the first nonsteroidal SARM being discovered in the 1990s. These compounds have shown promise in the treatment of muscle wasting conditions, as well as for increasing muscle mass and strength. However, their use as performance-enhancing drugs is banned by sports organizations, and their use can also have several risks. It's important to consult a doctor before taking SARMs and not to purchase them as dietary supplements since they have been banned by the FDA.